Hello, this is a quick video on how to factory reset a Unifi AP Pro. So this is the original Unifi AP that I think has 5 GHz in it, but it's now nearly end of life. This one is on, but as with a lot of these Unifi access points, the light which is in it is kind of depleted or burnt itself out and you can barely see it, but that light there is on. To factory reset it, get your universal reset and eject tool, which is otherwise known as a bent paperclip or an unbent paperclip, and put it into the reset hole and hold down for about 5 to 6 seconds. So while I do that, I'm going to see whether we can see any change in the light as well. So here we go. I'm going to press it now. And then let go. So I think that was about 6 seconds, so I was on the longer end of the 5 to 6 seconds. The light here has gone white instead of blue, or if your access point has become orphaned and isn't connected to the controller, that light may be a different colour when you or before you press the reset button. And there we go. That will restart or boot up again, and when it comes back on it should be back to factory settings, and your Unifi controller should then allow you to adopt it as a new access point. If this short video has been helpful to you, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. You don't need to have the video notifications switched on, but the subscriber numbers are really helpful. Thank you very much.